Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are painting clouds with simple steps. First we choose sky color in the palette, then fill the background with the color fill tool. To draw the cloud first we must create a new layer. Then we choose the base color of clouds, which is bluish white. To draw clouds easily we choose the salty watercolor brush. This is an easy way to draw clouds with the help of this brush. This gives a foamy look which is quite similar to the clouds. This brush has flow rate, so to make darker clouds we have to dab it multiple times. To draw the finer boundaries, we must reduce the size of the brush and draw with it. This is also a good drawing of the clouds for beginners and give a nice patterns of clouds in most of the paintings. To give the sunlight effect, we now must create next layer. In the next layer we choose the light orange color and draw the cloud pattern by using the same brush. To show the sunlight lit area we now choose the glow brush and draw the areas closer to the edge for more light. We do in all the clouds edges and somewhere in center. This gives a nice look to the clouds in the day area when sun is high in the sky. To merge the colors we now choose the hair brush in the artist section for merging. This brush merges the colors and also gives a feathery looks to the clouds. To draw the darker tint of color, we now apply another layer of the color. To draw dark clouds to show evening time, we must now create a new layer. By choosing the gray color and choosing the salty watercolor, we draw the next layer of clouds with this brush. The corners are more darker and center is bit lighter in the clouds. To give the feathery looks of the darker clouds, we use the blending brush hair and merge the darker and lighter shade. To create the small feathery clouds, we now choose a next layer. In this layer, we draw small foamy clouds with the help of salty watercolor brush. To draw the Feathery look, we choose the hair blending brush. In the last, we go to the background layer and choose the soft airbrush. To give darker shade, we apply this soft airbrush with darker blue color. To create a night sky, we now pick sparkle shape, then we choose the small size. The white color is now used to draw small stars in the sky. To draw the moon, we choose pencil and then the circle shape from the toolbar. Make the circle fill with the white color. To create a crescent moon, we draw on another circle of the sky color and fill with same. This create a beautiful crescent moon and uplifts the whole painting.